Good morning, good morning, everybody. What a day to be alive. Good morning, everybody. I was actually out of town like all week last week. That's why I wasn't on. So sorry about that. But we're back. We're finally back. Um, Overnight, Sunday night when we opened, we kind of rallied a little bit. I mean, I wouldn't call it so much of a rally, just kind of like a retest of the 20,650 area. And as you can see, at 7 a.m. we rejected right off of it. So what I'm basically watching for today is I'm watching for a hold above 20,650 on NQ for longs. For longs, but if they give this up, then I probably just won't really touch it. So it's Monday, not gonna force anything, kind of just gonna wait around, see what the market presents to us. I do like longs here though, just because of how like they've tried to breaking it down like 5 times now and they just can't. And look, now we're just stopping out everybody that was chasing short. This is why you wait. As you can see here, they defended the 20,600 level. Draw a line, it makes it much easier to understand. So if you draw a line there, excuse me. If you draw a line there, you can see they, bounced off of it here and they bounced off of it here again. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the line because that's not one of my favorite levels. I appreciate you guys for joining the live. Make sure you guys are double tapping the screen. Helps me out a lot. If they're gonna dump it, it would 100% be this candle or the next one, in my opinion. Do we have news today, guys? Does anyone know if we have news today? Let me check. Appreciate the likes, guys. Means a lot. Today's Monday. We got 8:30. That's already passed. And then Fed Chairman Powell speaks at 12 today. I'm not sure what that's about, but that's definitely important. Guys, so the way I trade is I mark down my levels and then I don't touch price until we reach my levels. Yo, I appreciate the follow. So for example, right here, we're kind of in just in like in La La Land. So I'm not touching anything. If we go to the daily, you can see that we rejected. We didn't really get to prior highs, but we did reject the top of it. And as you see, Sunday open pushed us back to 650, which means they already touched it once, and now they're on their way to touch it again. So, this is kind of giving an indication of, bullish. Like if we touch 650 again, me personally, I'm not gonna short it. I'm not gonna short it just because of how they've been defending it, right? You guys know how much of a bullish market we've been. Like I personally have not shorted this market in probably like 3 to 4 months. Simply based on the fact that shorts just have not been working. ES is the same thing. It's gonna take a lot for them to get past this double top. Me personally, I would not short it. Same thing here. If we do get another rejection here at 650, I believe that this is a good indicator of us showing more downside potential for the remaining of the week. Just don't get me wrong, like I want downside. Like if you go to the 4 hour, like it's kind of a mess of how bullish we are. This is the 4 hour time frame, right? So something you could be looking for is like you go up, reject, retouch, and then we fall, right? So that's what a lot of people are hoping for, but I just don't have confidence in it because how bullish we've been. So we could also see something like, defend, reject, and then plow right through the stops and just retest these highs and then fall. So it's really just about staying patient and not really guessing what the market's gonna do, but more of watching the market and having the market tell you what it's gonna do, right? What's the website? The website name? This is TradingView, brother. I really like TradingView because I believe it's the most friendly, beginner friendly app, software, I guess you could say app. It is an app on the App Store. But yeah, I mean, yeah, of course, man. Me personally, I don't like to take trades on Mondays. Um, Only if it's like clear as day, just because I like to see what the week is setting up for. How much money do you need to start? See, bro, that's the great thing about futures. So I trade futures. A lot of people like to start with options, which I don't really recommend, considering that when you start options, you have to risk your own money. But if you trade futures, you're actually able. There's like reliable companies. The one that I use is Apex, and you can actually buy an account for like 25 bucks. And obviously there's rules and an evaluation test, so you got to prove that you're able to trade and whatnot. And you can actually use their money. So if you see here, I'm using a 50K account, and they're two PA accounts, right? I've already made like 3 withdrawals on this account. So right now they're at 50,567. So I'm up 500 on this account, and then I'm up 400 on the other account. So about like $900 total. But as long as you got $30, bro, you know, the website's called Apex Funded Trading. I would 100% recommend, you just do some research, bro. It's the best way to make money without risking your own money. Essentially, the only thing you're risking is the $30 you used to pay um, to buy that account, right? And it's 100% legit, like I've requested withdrawals from them, like I've gotten my money. It's 100% not a scam. Don't get me wrong, there are some companies that do scam people, or like they're not as, reliable. Can we use Apex in US? Yes, sir. That's what I use. And I'm in the US. I know Apex Trading Funded is really reliable, and then I've heard TopStep is very reliable as well. I know a couple people who've used that one. If you guys are really interested, I have a link in my bio, literally 100% free. I'm not trying to make money off anybody. I'm just trying to teach people. I personally think that everyone in the world should know how to invest their money, and I think it starts here. So I like to educate people for free. As long as you have, the right mindset, proper discipline. See what I mean? They're just not giving it up. After this, after this top wick down into this bottom wick up, it's just a clear sign of, I don't think they're gonna short this. I probably should have bought some calls there, to be honest, but it's too late. It's okay. I've been trading Forex. See, bro, so essentially it's the same thing, right? It's the same thing, just different commodities. So futures, so if you trade options, like you're going to be trading SPY, right? You're going to be trading SPY and like QQQ, Nvidia. If you trade futures, you're going to be trading ES, right? Which is essentially the same exact thing as SPY. ES, you can trade ES off of SPY, and then you can trade NQ off of QQQ. Um, so these are the futures, right? So there's ES futures, there's NQ futures. Look at that shit, bro. I fucking knew it. I'm a genius. I fucking knew it. Um, and then there's also silver, right? You can trade silver futures. You can trade CL futures, which is like oil. There's a bunch of different commodities that you're able to trade, right? Same with options. You're able to trade all these different stocks. Same with Forex. I don't know what they're called, but you're able to trade like a different, all those different tickers. Um, so it's the same thing, bro. And I think I don't know how Forex works, but I think futures is better because there's no Greeks involved, right? So if my position goes down 5 points before it goes up, like I'm not gonna be losing any money. Because like in options, like if it was to go down $5 and then go up $4, like you wouldn't make as much money as if it just went up $4. Correct. Personally, when I trade, I only trade futures and I only trade NQ. I know some people, let me turn this booty ass music down. I know there's some people who like to trade, you know, silver and gold and oil. But me personally, I like to just stay focused on my baby NQ. NQ also pays way more, right? So, like, let's say I put in an order down here. Rejected. What did you reject? Oh fuck, bro. Trade. I think trade evade's down. What the fuck? Hold on, let me look. Yeah, I think trade evade is down. Here, let me go to a paper trading login so I can show you guys. You see? Pushed it right up to the level. Stopped out everybody that was trying to chase short. This is exactly why you stay patient. They bounced it right up to this level right here, and they just boom. And then this is when you get all the rookies saying, man, like I shorted it right here, and then it stopped me out, and then it fell, blah blah blah. Anyways, for sure. Now, damn, bro. I mean, they just completely reversed that entire move in one candle. This is looking kind of juicy for me. Damn, they're just gonna roll it over. I was hoping for a bounce back to point of control for the short, but look at ES. ES is at VWAP. Let's take a look at VIX. Market structure shifts. Bro, I trade based off of price action and my levels, right? And you know, volume and momentum. So like I'm trying to figure out like a good way to explain it. Like for example, like I would trade. I mean, that's really it, you know, price action, support resistant levels, and volume. I only trade when like the hours where there is volume, so I only trade like 9:30 to about like 11 Eastern time, and then in the afternoon I trade from like I pull the charts back up at 1, and usually until close, or if you know until I call it a day. Like I'm not the one to chase, right? So one of my rules is to never buy low and to never buy high. Um, so I will always wait for a bounce, or I will always wait for a pullback. Can you make a tutorial? Yeah, man, I would love to. On what exactly? What would you like to learn? Yeah, Trade of 8 is still down. That's annoying. I like to have a bunch of fundamentals of trading. Yeah, man, of course. I've actually been meaning to get to that. I'll go ahead and write that down. Alright, so let's see. We got a point of control at 265, 625, excuse me. So let's see how we react there. There's point of control. Trying to push through it. Pushing through it. Can we get some sort of wick? VIX is top wicking, which means if VIX goes down, then NQ goes up. VIX goes down. Yeah, we need VIX to go up so NQ can go down. Yeah. So this essentially just invalidated my trade. Tutorial how to start trading in TradingView. Yeah, man, I got you. Like I said, I have a Discord in my bio. Everything on there is 100% free. It's a lot of one-on-one just because of, you know, how many little people are in there. But if you really want to learn how, man, that's the way to do it. Just start getting yourself involved. Start talking about it. And like I said, I mean, you don't need a lot of money to trade. Like, you quite literally need $30 to open an account. I still somewhat like this. If they can wick it back under point control, then maybe. There's point of control. One minute chart. Now we want to see a big follow through. I am short on QQQ puts right now. If this bounces back up above point of control, then I am outie. But I'm holding shorts or puts right now. Nice. But this is exactly what I'm talking about, right, bro? Like, you know, I never short low because of that reason right there. I mean, honestly, if this is really a bearish week, we can see a rollover all the way to fucking, you know, like 100 points, 200 points lower. The next point of control is all the way down to 427. So if my trade evade was working, I would have shorted this on NQ for sure. But this is also the bottom. This is the bottom of the previous balance, right? So this would be a little difficult to get through. Yeah, bro, let me try to see if I can put the I believe I put it in chat. Let me know if that works, brother. I am gonna go ahead and sell here. You know, green is green. It's Monday. I am not one to be greedy. That was perfect timing. But that's exactly what I mean, right? We were just at the bottom of this balance, and look how they fucking bounced the shit out of it. This is always why you take your profits. Yeah, this is well that's ES. I'm trading ES. That is a ticker for futures. ESU 2025, I think. Or if you just type in ESU, it'll also pop up. But the one I'm trading is NQU. Guys, look, if we didn't take our profits, we would be negative now. We would be negative, and then this trade would be 100% invalidated because of how strong this candle is. I mean, look at that. Holy shit. Damn. Okay, so if you type in ESU, what is it? ESU. Do you have like a futures tab? It would be this one. Try just typing in ES. That could work as well. But again, I'm trading NQ. I can show you guys what it looks like to be in a fake order, fake position. This is my paper trading account, okay? So don't think it's real money. I'll do one contract. This is what it looks like to be in a futures trade. Look how easy it is to make money. But by the way, this is a trade I would never take, right? I would never buy in the middle of a balance. What I would have done is buy down here when we dipped, because at that point I would be risking much less than $700. The reason why it's $700 is because I bought all the way up here. So this is my risk in the middle. But if this blue was here, my risk would only be a couple $100. See, but if you start, $100 is like 10, like 5 points. Like it's really not hard. Um, it's really not hard. And then the part that I am like my current goal um, right now I have two PAs, right? And the max at the beginning of you get your PA counts, the max that you're able to withdraw the first like 3 times, I believe, is 2 grand, right? A month. If you have two counts and you make 2 grand on each account, it's 4 grand. Yeah, bro, it's a fucking killer, dude. The no spread is just game changer. Um, See, but my goal is to have, at least 5 to 10 accounts and make anywhere from, $100 to $200 a day. And it's, you just saw it right there. It takes a fucking minute as long as you know your levels and whatnot. If I'm making $200 a day with 10 accounts, that's that's like 2 grand a day, bro. So it's just there's just so much money to be made in this shit, dude, and just nobody knows about it, and it's just insane. Yeah, dude, it's lit. This is another one of my strategies. After a bullish move like this one, the wick, the reverse, I like to buy off point of control. Obviously, I'm not doing it here because I'm not taking any futures trades today. The trade of 8 being down is kind of a bummer. Exactly, man. Exactly. And that's the whole thing, right? Like like you just need to be essentially scalping. Exactly. Price wouldn't even have to hit your TP. You just would, just take your damn profit. That's my whole thing. Like I see people go up like $550, bro, and they don't take profit because it hasn't hit in their TP. And I'm like, dog, where are you making $500 a day at? Like, just take your goddamn, take your money. Hell yeah, bro. Just remember, man, just always stay humble. Always remember that the market is, is the boss, bro. A couple weeks ago, I had 3 accounts. I had 3 PAs. One of them was up like 1,500 bucks, and I just got greedy, man. And I just got greedy and lost that bitch. So now I only have 2. Yeah, bro, for sure. Join the Discord, dog. I would love to stay in contact, bro. Ain't nothing better than a team working together. I got a lot of people you can watch as well that trade futures that I've learned from. So yeah, man, just join. Yeah, the Discord is in the bio. If it's not, I'll send it here. I don't even know if you would be able to join through chat, but if that doesn't work, check the bio. The bio should work. 100% free. I'm not trying to fucking make money off you goons. Trust me. Yeah, dude, I was dabbling with options for probably like a year and a half. Um, bet, bro. Say less. Yeah, I was dabbling with options for like a year and a half, and then um, I learned about futures, bro, and it just completely fucking changed the game. If you can see here, I mean, they're just defending this level every time. Every dip is being bought, so I'm expecting a nice bust to the upside. I'll also talk today at 12, so remember that. Kind of forgot about my remote job. Oops. I think VIX will probably fall down to about this level here, which means that we're gonna go up. Fuck, bro, I want to get long. Should have got long here. Always remember the saying, guys, never be in a hurry to lose money. It's a silly thing to do. And this is what I mean that I would never buy high. You know, a lot of people will buy up here, expecting it to just fucking bust. But not saying it won't happen, but the chances of, you know, that happening is probably like, it'll happen probably once out of like every like 15 times you try. There they go. In this world of pure imagination. Damn, bro. This was such a fucking easy buy, and I just wasn't paying attention. This candle right here. Ah, that's a 60-point move that I missed. Fuck. Dip right into VWAP, bro. I mean, that's my fault for sure. I do really appreciate you guys for joining, man. I hope you guys know what I mean. Like, I'm not trying to make money off you guys. I am truly passionate about this stuff, and I just think everybody should learn how. Trading is not as hard as everyone says it is. It just requires a lot of headspace. This is the breakout retouch of 650. Fuck it. What's VIX doing? No, it didn't fail me. Fuck you. I didn't get failed on that. Wow. Okay, I'm not doing it again. I'm not doing it again. It's not worth it. Walking downstairs to get a drink of water. Let that situate itself. Did it do it, chat? What happened? What's happening? Alright, fuck it. Actually, I don't know if we should fuck it. I like Vix because we just top wick to go down, right? Which means NQ should go up. Treat me nice, baby. Vix can even fill this gap, and then we really go. Let's fucking go, dude. Let's fucking go, chat. Let's fucking go! Hell yeah. Mm-mm. Ow, fuck. Oh my god. Alright, I'm out. I am outie here. Let's fucking go. So, what did we just witness? Okay, so why did I long up there when after I said I don't buy the tops? Here, let me explain. Alright, so what did we see this morning, right? We saw the base level essentially, right, which was 20,600 in my opinion, just because I like even numbers like that. We had that base level set since this morning, so you got one touch here, and you got one, you got another one, you got another one. You can essentially see how well they've been defending it, right? And then you got the dip back to VWAP, and then just a sick launch off of it, and then you got the retouch of 650, and then again showing strength. So just the overall strength of this structure, incorporated with VIX. You know, I was watching VIX too. It just gave me confidence to long the retouch of 650 up here. So I am gonna call it a day after that, though, guys. I appreciate y'all for joining. I appreciate you guys for talking to me and joining the Discord. I can't wait to start working with you guys. So yeah, y'all take care. I love me a green day. All right, guys. Peace. Peace, bro.